Why?
Why? Just hit your girl.
I didn't hit her.
Whatever she is.
I did not
So
hit
you're under
her.
arrest for battery.
I did not hit her. I did not. What are you doing?
What happens when an officer arrests for battery and the alleged victim says it never happened? What if that arrest is still legally required under state statute, regardless of what the victim says? This is not a simple question. It sits at the boundary of mandatory law and constitutional rights.
We're fine. We're fine.
Let me talk.
We're fine.
Ma'am.
No, I don't want to.
We got
fine.
multiple calls. I just need to talk to you real quick.
No, we're fine. We have. I have that. And
Don't make it, man. Don't make it worse. We already got multiple calls.
make what worse? Am I in trouble?
You're not in trouble. I need to know. I need to find out what.
Okay, so we just had an argument. Okay.
Which is fine. People argue.
That's it. Okay, so can we just go to our gate and sit down?
Sir.
We just had.
106.
Go ahead and talk. We have nothing to hide. We have nothing to
I
hide.
just really want you to talk to one of
We have
the
nothing to hide.
witnesses. They keep saying that nothing happened.
No.
The male
No, we
and
just
female,
had
they keep
an
saying that
argument.
nothing
We
happened.
just had an argument. That's it. That's it.
Which is fine. People argue. I just need to find out what happened because we had multiple people.
Okay, I know you had multiple people. We just had multiple people.
Do you have your ID with you, man? Do you have your ID with you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
No, so everything is fine. We just had an argument.
And I'm glad that you're in compliance. She's the one who's not in compliance. Thank you.
I'm not trying to be not in compliance. It's just that we had an argument.
Oh,
Which
I'm
is fine.
sorry.
That's fine. I got it.
I did not mean to throw that. I did not.
I know.
I'm sorry.
And do you have your ID with you?
You got nothing to hide.
We just had an argument.
My location gonna be by Ulele Safon.
We got nothing to hide. Come on. We got nothing to hide. Seriously.
Okay, so what happened was he didn't come back to the table from the restaurant.
Let me talk to you real quick, and then I'll talk to you.
Okay, sir. He did not come back to the table. I had no idea where he was. I got upset. And I am upset. And he said he fell asleep at a different table.
So you got like into a panic mode because you were.
Because I'm by myself and I don't travel
Okay.
well by myself
Okay.
at all. I don't travel a lot.
Okay. And that happened. That's why I'm trying to find out what happened.
Okay, well, this is what happened. And can we please just, like, fix it and go on our way?
That's what we're doing.
Okay. Let me talk to you on that side, and then just wait for me. I'll be with you. Okay. And it's fine. People get nervous when people travel. People get upset.
I am upset. I am
Are you
nervous.
under medication? Do you take medication for when you and don't take this the wrong way. That maybe you take Xanax.
No,
you take,
no,
because
I
people
don't.
get nervous.
I don't.
Okay.
Okay, and I take a beta blocker for blood pressure.
Okay.
That's it.
Just give me a couple of minutes.
But
At what time is your flight?
it's soon.
120.
Okay. You know that the longer you keep postponing this, the longer you may not be able to fly. So I need to talk to him real quick. You keep distracting me. Let me talk to him and then just give me a couple of minutes.
But
Let me
I'm
talk to you
not-
on that
I
side.
didn't do
Okay.
anything wrong.
I'm sorry.
Stay on that side, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please stay over there.
Okay, let me talk to you real quick. So, what happened? Just like I told. Is she your
Quite
wife?
literally.
Is she your wife? Wife, girlfriend,
She's
friend?
my girlfriend.
Okay. So
I went to go to the bathroom, and I sat down.
Okay. Okay.
Because I've been here since freaking 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
We've been drinking.
Okay.
I sat down, fell asleep.
Okay.
She got panicked, and then freaked out. And then when I finally
Woke up.
woke up, came to her, she's like, where you been? You've been cheating on me, blah, blah. I'm like, whoa. I'm in the freaking airport.
Okay.
I've not been cheating on you. So it got a little bit heated.
Okay.
And I'm like, babe, please. Trust me, back the fuck off. And here we are.
Okay.
And here we are.
106. But then let me ask you something directly. So nobody was punching nobody, nothing
No,
whatsoever.
no.
But then she was just
No,
Okay.
no.
okay. So what's it more that maybe when you guys were walking, you guys were just trying to hold on to each other, but it was not intention to hit nobody.
That was
Is that-
holding each other up.
He was just holding. Okay, he was just
Yeah.
holding, but not pushing or shoving.
No.
Okay.
No.
Just give me a
not at
couple
all.
of minutes.
No, just holding each other up, literally.
Just
Sir,
stay-
we've been drinking since 7 o'clock.
Okay, stay here. Don't go there. Okay, just give me a
Stay
couple of
right
minutes. Okay. So are you guys going on vacation, or this is where you guys live?
We're leaving here, going back to Denver.
So that's where you guys live.
Yeah, we live in Denver.
You guys okay?
Yeah. She just moved to Denver, and I
So
live in Denver.
so this is the current location.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
And that's your flight info.
Yeah. What's APD? Airport Police?
So what's the flight number?
We
Oh,
missed
that's the
our
flight. Okay.
we missed our first flight, so now we're on standby.
So where are you guys flying? Oh, Denver. I see it.
Yeah.
106.
Sir, I'm Officer Gastas. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm great. Do me a favor.
Yeah. There you
Turn
go.
him behind your back.
Why?
Why? Just hit your girl.
I didn't
Why?
hit
For whatever
her.
she is.
I did not
So
hit
you're under
her.
arrest for battery.
I did not hit her.
Okay.
Now, when you see that sailor, you bang, you hit her with the phone.
I did not.
Okay.
I did not. What are you doing? I did not hit her. Ask her.
So do you have this on camera, or do you have the witness info?
I got all three witnesses.
I did not hit her.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Seriously.
So
Seriously, you need to walk.
Yeah.
okay, hold on. Let me. So Corporal is here. Who's gonna be having this? What is it? Okay.
Don't make it.
Stay where you at. Stay where you at. Stay where you at. Okay.
Can I see boarding pass real quick so I can deny his ass boarding? Alright, that's a nice one. Okay. Fitzpatrick.
There's multiple witnesses over here.
I got three witnesses.
You got them over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Seriously. Let's look at the camera. I did not hit her. Ever. I walk with you. You don't need to die.
Martinez should be the truck.
But seriously, I did not hit her.
Okay. So I'm gonna go.
Foundation. Fourth Amendment prohibits unreasonable seizures. A warrantless public arrest requires established probable cause. Under Illinois v. Gates 1983, probable cause is assessed through a totality of circumstances analysis. A reasonable officer must have trustworthy grounds to believe a crime was committed, not suspected, believed. Florida Section 784(3) defines battery as intentional, unconsented physical contact. The element of intent is non-negotiable. Accidental contact or mutual physical support does not constitute battery. Florida Section 741(29) requires officers to investigate all domestic violence calls regardless of victim cooperation. Florida Section 741(2000), 901(d)(2), once probable cause is established. Domestic battery arrest is mandatory. Officer discretion is removed by statute. The legal tension. Two statutes in direct conflict. Section 784.3 requires intent. Section 741(2000), 901 requires arrest. The mandatory arrest obligation does not eliminate probable cause. it is activated by probable cause. That standard must still be met first. Illinois v. Gates confirms that witness statements alone can establish probable cause even when the victim denies the offense. But credibility is not automatic. The account must be specific enough to support a reasonable belief that a crime was committed. Graham v. Connor, 1989. All officer conduct is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. That standard incorporates all information available at that moment, including findings from any concurrent on-scene investigation. When an arresting officer bypasses existing investigative findings, the Graham v. Connor reasonableness standard becomes harder to satisfy. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 2001. Warrantless misdemeanor arrest in a public place does not violate the Fourth Amendment. However, constitutional permissibility and legal sufficiency differ. The arrest must still rest on a proper probable cause foundation. When the alleged victim directly denies the offense at the moment of arrest, that statement enters the probable cause calculus. It does not automatically negate probable cause, but it cannot be disregarded by a constitutionally reasonable officer. The unresolved question: was the witness account specific and credible enough to constitute probable cause standing alone? Lesson 1. Inter-officer communication is not administrative detail. In a probable cause analysis, it can be legally dispositive. Lesson 2. Mandatory arrest statutes protect victims but demand that probable cause is rigorously established before arrest. Lesson 3. A constitutionally deficient arrest creates civil exposure under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 for Fourth Amendment violations. Lesson 4. Qualified immunity under Harlow v. Fitzgerald, 1982, bars liability only if the violated right was clearly established at the time. The witness account triggered a mandatory arrest. The victim's denial may be the basis that unravels it. If probable cause falls apart, so does the lawfulness of the arrest. And if the arrest fails, a federal civil rights claim begins. But qualified immunity is not easily overcome. The line between a legal error and a constitutional violation is narrow. The outcome of this case has not been made public. Some cases end quietly. The legal questions they raise do not.